guys, welcome to my YouTube channel EduVenture SG. So today we are going to do another interesting word problem on fraction. Let's start reading the question first. Mrs. Lee made some cupcakes. She sold 3 by 4 of the cupcakes in the morning and 1 by 3 of the remaining in the afternoon. She made another 506 cupcakes and had twice the number of cupcakes she made at first. How many cupcakes did she made at first? Okay, so what we have here is that Mrs. Lee made some number of cakes at first. She had some cakes at first, and she sold 3 by 4 of the cupcakes in the morning. So of those cupcakes, right, she sold 3 by 4 in the morning, and 1 by 3 of the remaining, means after selling 3 by 4, whatever is remaining, she sold 1 by 3 of the remaining in the afternoon. So let's quickly draw a model for this. Okay, so let's say let's start from here. So let's say she's having, let's say this much, okay, in the start. So at first, let's say she is having these many cupcakes. Okay, so let's divide it into, since they are saying here that she sold 3 by 4 of the cupcakes in the morning, that means we should divide our model into 4 equal parts, right? So that we can show that 3 of it she has sold in the morning. So let's do that. Let's divide our model into 4 equal parts, right? So we have done this, and out of these 4, right, she has sold 3 into the morning, right? 3 into the morning. So let's show it like this. See, this one, and this one she sold in the morning. So what is left? This is the remaining part, right? After selling 3 by 4, this is the remaining part. Then in the question they are saying that 1 by 3 of the remaining she sold in the afternoon, right? She sold 1 by 3 of the remaining in the afternoon. But here for remaining we have only 1 unit, right? We have only 1 unit for remaining. That means if we want to show that she sold 1 by 3 of the remaining, we have to divide the remaining part further into 3 equal parts. Okay, we have to divide this remaining part further into 3 equal parts. So let's do that. So this is 1, 2 and 3. So we have divided this remaining part into 3 equal parts, but then we have to do the same with the other units as well, right? So let's do that. So let's divide the other units also into 3 equal parts. So let's say these are my, so we have divided, earlier we had 4 parts. Now we have divided each of them further into 3 equal parts, right? Each of them into 3 equal parts. That means now we have 3 times 4, 12 units, right? So we till here, earlier she has sold in the morning, right? So let's show it, right? Let's show it here. So this much she has sold in the morning. So let's label those she has sold in the morning as M. Okay, so she has sold these units. Okay, see, you can see here earlier it was like this, right? So these are the 3 units, right, which we have further divided into 3 more units. So in total 9 units she has sold in the morning, and this one of the remaining one, right, 1 unit she has sold in the afternoon. So this one she has sold in the afternoon. So you can say these are the 9 units, right, she has sold in the morning, right, and then 1 unit she sold in the afternoon. Then this, how about this? These are the left one, right? So she is still left with 2 unit of cupcakes with her, right? She's still left with 2 unit of cupcakes with her. Now what that means, in total how many units she had at first? So at first she is having, see, 9 plus 1, 10 plus another 2. She is having 12 unit of cupcakes, right? From here we can see she is having 12 unit of cupcakes, right? Out of 12 units, 9 units she sold in the morning. This one unit she sold in the afternoon, and then this another 2 units are left. Yeah, they are still there, right? Now let's read the question further. Okay. uh, she made another 506 cupcakes and had twice the number of cupcakes she made at first. That means after she has sold these many, right, 9 in the morning, another 1 unit in the afternoon, she made another 506 cupcakes. Okay, and now at the end she's having twice the number of cupcakes she had made at first. Okay, so let's add another 506. It should be a big bar, because we know that at the end she is having twice as much as what she had before, right? What she had before. So let's say this is what she has added, right? So this is, let's say this is 506 new cupcakes she has made, right? 506 new cupcakes she has made. Now this plus the last two unit of cupcakes she is left with, right? In total, right, this plus these leftover cupcakes and another 506 is twice the number of cupcakes she made at first. Okay, so let me highlight what she is left with, right? So she is left at end how much she is having after making 506 new cupcakes. So she is having those new cupcakes 506, and the two unit of leftover cupcakes from the what she has made before, right? So in total, right, this is what she is left with. Now let's find out how much she is left, right? So see, we know that at first she was having how many cupcakes she made? 12 units, right? And at the end, right, at the end, she is having how many? Twice the number of cupcake what she had at first. So at first she is having 12 units. That means at the end she is having twice of what she had at first, which is 2 times 12, right, which will give me 24 units, right? 24 units. So from the model we can see here, right, what she is left here. This leftover amount and extra 506 which she has made. So this is the total she is having at the end, right? Later. Okay, so which should be 24 units, right? This 506 newly made and 2 units from the previous lot will make 24 units, right? So we know that this is how much. This leftover cupcakes are how many? These are 2 units, right? These are 2 units. So from here it's clear that this whole thing is 24 and 2 units are from the previous lot. So how many is the new one? How many is the new one? See, it's obviously 24 minus 2. 24 minus 2. So which you will clearly get 22 units from here, right? 22 units from here. So we can just write it here. Okay, so new ones, okay, new ones will be how much? 24 unit minus 2 unit, right? It will give you 22 units, right? That means she has made 22 units of new cupcakes, right? And we know that this 22 unit is 506, right? Because she has made 506 new cupcakes. So we can equate this 22 units to 506, right? So 1 unit will be 506 divided by 22, right? 506 divided by 22, that will give you our 1 unit will be equal to 23. This will give you 23. Okay, now since we have 1 unit, since we know what is 1 unit, we should read the question first. How many cupcakes did she made at first? So the question is, how many cupcakes she made at first? So we know that, right? How many cupcakes she made at first? she made 12 unit, right? At first she has 12 unit of cupcakes. So let's find out how much will be 12 units. See, so it will be 12 times 23, because 1 unit is 23, so 12 units will be 12 times 23, which will give you 276. Okay, which will give you 276. Okay, so now let's write quickly our final answer. Okay, right. The question is, how many cupcakes did she made at first? So we can say she made how many? 276 cupcakes at first. So I hope you like the solution. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.